Raiwense Dr. JOYCE KITHURE NIGO bono hagenderire Komwegerera na OKOBOKO EMEROBERIO yonsi yerengete komokonya umwana omunyaruka na boigo Omosubati hasibona atebire EMEROBERIO agenderete kobekwa yokwenekia ndemo n'abasubati nkwenyorera bare ribaga buna habande ase ebisaku ao igabwente kwegwa ribaga riabosio.
Now tonight, as you honor the remarkable individual and organizations who will receive awards, we celebrate them not only for what they have achieved, but for the doors they have opened for others. Their work inspires us to do more, to reach future, and to remain steadfast in building a continent where no woman or girl is left behind.
Women and girls form an important segment in our society. Yet, time and again, this segment continues to bear a brand of historical and systematic discrimination in various facets of life, be it education, economic activities, basic freedom, and even decision-making.
Let us also remember that empowering women is not an event, it is a continuous commitment. It is a movement that requires collaborations, policy and advocacy, mentorship, and sustained investment. It calls on each of us to use our voices, our platforms, and our influence to create pathways for others.
A great commendation for the great work done by this initiative. Celebrations and awards like this provide opportunities for affirming those things that are dear to us, and particularly celebrating the great work that are done towards meeting and narrowing the gender inequalities that we have in society.